Hey guys, 50 Messenger here for another Star Wars figure review. Today we're going to take a look at the Vintage Collection Clone Wars Obi-Wan Kenobi. This is a really cool figure, it's one of my favorites. I believe this wave was an online exclusive wave. You could not get a lot of figures. The figures in the wave were the Clone Wars Ahsoka Tano, Weequay, Emperor's Royal Guard, Lumat the Ewok, and Nien Nunb. I don't know how to pronounce his last name of it, but I do also have the Weequay figure to review later on. So that's the packaging. Now we're going to go on to the figure itself. Accessories wise, it doesn't come with a lot, typical, except for a Jedi. He comes with, let me see if I can fix the lighting here. It's not going to fix, is it? No, it's not going to fix. Okay. Accessories wise, he comes with his deactivated lightsaber hilt and a activated lightsaber hilt. I personally do not display him with the hilt on it. Take that off. But this is the hilt. Very similar to Luke's. I believe it might be even just the same, just painted a little different. And now let's just go on to the figure itself. I really like the blue they have in the new lightsabers. It's a much darker blue compared to the last year's. Last year's it was really pale and they never really showed up that well. But this one's really looks good, especially in the light. Articulation wise, this has the same articulation in the arms and legs as the, I believe, ARC Trooper Commander, also from the Vintage Collection. He has a ball jointed head, ball jointed shoulders and elbows, swivel wrist, swivel waist, swivel hips, ball hinge knees, and ball hinge ankles. Detail wise, this guy is just loaded. He has the Jedi symbol on his arm and the comlink on his wrist. All around he has a lower tunic, that's all soft goods. And he has a lot of battle weathering on him. The head sculpt, they did really good. It's really perfect, especially with the hair, to make it look like the Clone Wars style. So, that's this figure. Keep a lookout out for 2 more vintage figures for today. So, this is 50 Messenger Jedi. May the Force be with you.